Picture the scene. A teeming port where each and every container is correctly identified and optimally placed according to predicted dwell time. Enhanced productivity and yard integrity, all thanks to Nokia Scene Analytics. Video streamed from an array of cameras interlocks with advanced algorithms to make automated container ID recognition a reality. Nokia Scene Analytics initiates object detection to identify the container, then scans the bit code. The ID is shared in real time with operational systems, so port operators know its contents and where exactly it should be stacked. Misplaced containers and constant stack shuffling become problems of the past.